What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Cuts, and welcome to Joey's Mind. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Cuts. I'm back. What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another unboxing. Right here, I got this Black & Decker 20V Max lithium ion 2-speed drill and driver. Quick little, I only got this because it was cheap, man. Getting the cheap stuff, hoping that it works. So far it's been working. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright. Okay. So, pretty compact. Show you guys what this looks like, you know. Looks like we have a charging cable. We got the 20 volt max lithium, and of course the drill itself. Wasn't much in the box. Came pretty packaged up cool. Quick in, quick out, right? All right, let's throw it in and get it ready. So it looks like it slides in like any drill does. There it is. Okay. You got a real it's plastic here, which, you know, I'm gonna see how that goes. I only got it because I'm gonna put my TV on the wall, so I'm hoping that it holds me down. I believe it will. The power in it right off the box, no charge, seems pretty good. Yeah, you got the little, it's the head right there. Typical drill. The back and forth button's still really good. I see there's a light here, nice and bright. I like that. You got, it's in drill mode already, where we have all the chucks. We need up to 10, it looks like. Yeah, here's the one. It takes it all the way up to 10, but, you know, typically drill mode is all you pretty much need. It feels like it's gonna do the, you got, seems like there's two different modes, 1 and 2 back here. One, let me show you what one sounds like. So you spin on one, and then we'll switch over to 2. Can't really tell, maybe 2's a bit faster, but overall, I'm feeling it. Oh, and there's it comes with the go-ahead Phillips and flathead bit right here, ready to go. Ready, so you already set up, got your first bit. Got the back and forth here. There is if you put it in the middle, nothing goes. I like that. Safe, leave it like this around my 2-year-old. All right, let's see. Easy pop off, like that. And it looks like when you charge it up, all you do is just slide this on, and I believe this does it. That does it. Black & Decker. I'm happy. I'm happy with the purchase. Joey's Mind.